PayPal today, it's down 11%. Pretty big drop after earnings. And let's have a look at the technicals from here. But before we do that, I usually don't go through the numbers, but for PayPal, let's have a look at the numbers. So they reported earnings, right? Pretty much their revenue guidance is pretty much in line. I went back to take a look at the 2020 numbers. So basically in 2020, looks like PayPal generated, according to Business of Apps, I'm not sure the accuracy of this number, but I think it's 2020, should be like 99% accurate. They generated 21.4 billion revenue in 2020. And for 2021, they are estimating that they're going to make 25.3 or 25.4 billion in revenue, which is 20% increase. All right. And also, according to PayPal, also, let's have a look at the user growth numbers. So they added 13.3 million new accounts in Q3 of this 2021. So, of course, I tried to pull the graph for the whole 2020 edit as well, but it stops right here at 403 million users, active users. It stops in Q2 of 2021, but they will add it pretty soon. But it's somewhere up here. Basically, you can see the curve of active users, all right? And also, little bit of other stats right here. So looks like PayPal accounts for 22% of online transactions in the US. I was hearing a lot of talk recently saying that, okay, PayPal, MasterCard, Visa have reached their growth potential, with which I disagree. I mean, 22% of online transactions, and then yesterday CEO was saying that, okay, they made a deal with Amazon, Venmo. So basically now Venmo users can check out with their account on Amazon, and then also Walmart, both in-store and online, they can check out with their PayPal account. So I kind of disagree with the idea that a lot of people saying that these companies are big enough already and there's not much of growth potential left. There are a lot of Asian countries it's worldwide, right? There are a lot of Asian countries that they don't have a PayPal, so they can expand still, but I don't know why stock is down at this point, and I guess it's just the momentum has been to the downside, and a lot of people were getting stopped out, and algos were just pretty much, as you guys don't know, if you guys don't know that, like there are a lot of high frequency trades out there, the HFD, I believe they call. Whenever stock is downtrending, they will just keep shorting it, all right, and keep selling it. Whenever stock is uptrending, they keep buying it. They can just take the stock to absurd levels to the upside, even if it doesn't worth that much, or beat down the stocks that are like downtrending, even if they are not like valuation, from valuation standpoint. I think 230 billion right now, PayPal. That's the market cap of the PayPal, 240. And in the next 5 years, I think this can join $1 trillion market cap easily. So I think that's not their growth potential. I disagree on that one. That's why I brought up those numbers. But let's go to technicals. So slipped below yesterday's support of a 227 I was watching, 227, 225. So now looks like this is a yearly chart, all right? I will switch maybe back to 2 years maybe. So today looks like it's finding a support at 200. So it's bouncing right from there, 201 levels. But if it doesn't hold 200, it's going down to 184. That's the next level of support I'm watching for this stock. And that point, that would be very, very extreme oversold levels. But I don't have much of a support until there, unless we hold this pretty much $200 level. So it looks like we have a little bit of a support at 200, and 200 was yeah, I think 200, 210 was 205 was a bit of a resistance here back in 2020 around August through November. It couldn't get above that $200 level and build above that. So maybe that's why that level is acting as a support. So that's basically what I'm watching for this name. And to the upside, looks like we have now resistance of 226. So that's the video for PayPal. That's the update for today. I guess we're not going to look at the option activity because it's super beaten down. We can just take a look at the total stats. Market is still open. We still have like 3 more hours. And today so far, wow, almost 500,000 calls were traded and 236,000 puts were traded. So twice as much call volume. So that's it for PayPal. I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.